Stop wasting time staring at that Paramount Plus logo on your Vizio TV. Here are 3 quick fixes to get you back to your shows in seconds. I'm from Sleek Guides, and today we're troubleshooting the Paramount Plus app hang. Let's dive into step 1. Step 1 is the soft power cycle. This is more than just turning your TV off with the remote. Unplug your TV from the wall, hold the physical power button on the TV for 30 seconds, wait a full minute, and then plug it back in. This clears the system RAM and solves most hangs. If you're still stuck, step 2 is to reset the apps. Grab your remote, go to Settings, navigate to System, and look for Reset and Admin. Select Reset Apps. This clears the app's cached data and login info without erasing your personal picture settings. Still no luck? Step 3 is checking for a system update. Vizio often pushes app fixes through these system updates. In the System menu, select Check for Updates. Install any pending software and let the TV perform a full reboot. If it's still failing, test your network. Paramount Plus is sensitive to speed. You need at least 5 megabits per second for HD. Try switching to an Ethernet cable or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band to rule out signal interference. The last resort is a full factory reset under Reset and Admin. Just remember, this erases all your Wi-Fi and account settings. If the native app is still broken, use AirPlay or Chromecast from your phone. It bypasses the TV's internal processing entirely. So, power cycle, reset apps, and check for updates. Those 3 steps fix 90% of these logo hangs. Was this helpful? Smash that like button and subscribe to Sleek Guides for more quick tech fixes. I'll see you in the next one. Sleek Guides, utility, speed, and high-value tech info. Thanks for watching.